Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to my channel Taste of Asian Food. Today's recipe is all about tofu, which is inspired by a dish that I have tried yesterday when I was in an economical rice store. For your information, I live in Malaysia, economical rice store, which means that it's a store that is selling all kinds of home cooked food for lunch and dinner, and it's relatively simple and cheap. And I never expect that the taste of the tofu that they serve is so delicious. So today's recipe is, I'm going to use that as a blueprint for my recipe today. I got some tofu, I got some green peas, some minced chicken meat from the supermarket, and I'm going to make a egg tofu with chicken meat gravy. Let's get started. To speed things up, let me start with those items that has to be rehydrated. This is the shiitake mushroom, dry shiitake mushroom, and I also have some cloud fungus, or some people will call it cloud mushrooms, whatever it is. These are the two very common dry ingredients for Chinese cuisine. I'm going to put some hot water into it and soak it until it is fully hydrated. Over here I have some minced chicken meat, about 150 grams, and I'm going to season it with some soy sauce, light soy sauce, and a little bit of vegetable oil. Mix well and set it aside for later use. Meanwhile, I have a few tubes of Japanese egg tofu. Just open it this way. That's the easiest way to take it out. Half and squeeze it out. It is quite springy and it is quite firm, which is perfect for this recipe. And then cut the tofu into disc shape this way. Next, cut half of the medium-sized carrot into strips, fine strips. And also some green peas, about 2 tablespoons, some glass noodles, and I need to rehydrate it with water. To speed it up, I'm using some hot water to do it. It will turn soft afterwards quickly. Let's put all of them inside the water. Yes, okay. Before I start to cook, let me show you all the ingredients that I need for this recipe. The tofu, carrots, green peas, glass noodles, the minced chicken meat that has been marinated, dry shiitake mushroom. I'm going to cut it shortly. This is the cloud fungus, now already expanded. And besides that, I also need some seasoning. This is wine, Chinese wine, dark soy sauce, vinegar, ground white pepper, sesame oil, some cornstarch to thicken the gravy, some chicken broth. Let me quickly finish all the preps. The mushroom, cut it into small dice. The cloud fungus or cloud mushrooms, it's a little big, so I cut it into strips. The glass noodles, remove from water after it is softened, and then cut it short. Now let's start cooking. So put some oil in a pan and put the tofu inside to pan fry it. You don't have to coat the tofu with cornstarch, just like that, plain, straight into the oil. And this kind of tofu is quite firm, so you don't have to worry that they will break. They are also quite easy to handle. As you can see, they will not stick to the pan. Flip over and then pan fry the tofu on both sides until golden. Once done, remove it from the pan. You can use medium to high heat to do this. It will only take you about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, we have all the ingredients ready. Now we start to cook. Add some oil into the wok or a pan. Once it's heated, add the carrot. Let it stir fry for a short while until it starts to turn soft. After that, add the marinated chicken. A little bit of oil, it's a little bit sticky. Once the chicken is already cooked, add some chicken broth. And then followed by the mushrooms. The glass noodles. And the cloud mushrooms. Now let's turn down the heat and add the seasonings. Some dark soy sauce, mainly for darkening the color, make it more attractive. Sesame oil. Some Chinese wine. Ground pepper, some sugar because we are going to add some vinegar later. Also some light soy sauce and some vinegar. Lastly, add the green peas. And now let's do a taste test. Just to add a little bit of salt. Now let's thicken the gravy with a cornstarch slurry, which is made with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. So now it's much thicker. Place the tofu on a serving plate and then scoop the thick minced chicken gravy on top. That's how to make my tofu for my dinner tonight, which is inspired by one of the dishes I tried yesterday at one of the stores near where I live.
and it is pretty nice. The flavor is like, you know, tofu dressed with a sauce that is like a concentrated hot and sour soup. That's how I'm trying to describe it. Okay, and if you want to try this recipe, I've included the recipe in the description below the video. And don't forget, please subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.